back to Cebu Elegant Properties YouTube channel. My name is Christine and I am your property tour buddy and your trusted Cebuana licensed real estate broker here in Cebu. Today I am in the hills of Maghawaii, Talisay City, Cebu, and we are here inside a gated subdivision with a 24-hour security. And we will be featuring this two-story house and lot with a land area of 121 square meters and a floor area of 80.6 square meters. And this can be yours for only 6,500,000 pesos only. So come with me and join me as I show you around this beautiful property with a front yard garden. Okay, so right now, right to the main entrance, we have there a one-car carport, and then this is the main entrance. We have here the front yard. So tara guys, let's go inside this house. Upon entering this property, we have the living area on this side, and then which goes straight to the bedroom area on the second floor. So guys, this is very beautiful for those startup families. So this is the dining area. And here on the ground floor, we have a one bedroom which is intended for the guests, which right now they are using as a stock room. This is bedroom number 1. And then we have here a shared toilet and bathroom, which we will not show it to you because somebody is using at the moment. So this is the dining area, which goes straight to the kitchen area. So this is where the kitchen is located. And the kitchen already has a granite countertop. Then it has a space which leads to the garden and yard, and this can serve as your service area or where you will do the laundry. So guys, this is a toilet and bathroom for the ground floor. So that's the toilet and bathroom number 2. Now let's go to the second floor where the bedrooms are located. So now I am on the second floor area. First, we're gonna check bedroom number 1. I forgot to say that there are 3 bedrooms here in the second floor. So this is bedroom number 1, and it can fit a queen size or double size bed. And they have a shared toilet and bathroom here. And then this one is for bedroom number 2. This is just a small room which can fit a single size bed. And what is nice about this property is that they have this balcony, which is very ideal if you love to have some chit-chats with your family. So right now they're putting some plants, snake plants in the area. So this is it, guys. Now let's go to the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. And the master bedroom has a small balcony, which we will just show you later in the video. And we have also ensuite toilet and bathroom. Some of the bathrooms, guys, we will just put it in a clip. So there you go, guys. To recap everything, This house and lot has a land area of 121 square meters and a floor area of 80.6 square meters. This is inside a gated subdivision with a 24-hour security, and it's located in Maghaway, Talisay City, Cebu. Maghaway is one of the mountain barangays here in Talisay. And the subdivision has a clubhouse with recreation center. Okay, so this house has has 4 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms in the second floor and 2 toilet and bath. Then on the ground floor, we have 1 bedroom and 2 toilet and bathrooms. So the price for this house, if you're interested, is only 6,500,000 pesos. So there you go. If you are interested about this property, just give us a call, WhatsApp or Viber us at 0917-7999-429, or you may email us at cebuelegantproperties@gmail.com. So once again, I'm Christine Emily Pantaleon, your trusted Cebuana licensed real estate broker. Thank you and God bless. Bye-bye.